Hi guys, today I will give you a basic level of introduction of MSW logo. Basically, logo is a simple computer language used to draw figures, type text and perform simple arithmetic calculations. It's a very important and easy programming language for children, which you can teach very easily, and it would be very beneficial for children of age 8 to 10 years. To start from MSW logo, you need to just go to google.com, just type download MSW logo and then download it from here. You can download it from this website. It's a Microsoft programming language. After installing the MSW logo, this icon would become appear on your screen. Double click on this icon, so this type of a screen come in front of you. Basically this is called as a turtle in MSW logo. Basically it's a pen or pen to draw different types of figures or different types of calculations. Turtle has the upper portion is called as header and the lower portion is called as footer or tail. Uh, the MSW logo, this area is called as main screen, this area in which you draw different pictures. This area is called as commander window. This area, commander window, has two portions. This is called as input box, where you type a command which will execute, and this area is called as recall list box. The recall list box area keeps a record of the instruction you type in the input box. These are called control buttons. Like for example, this is also called as control button. When you type a command and click on execute button, so it will draw a picture as per the command. Status button shows you the current status of window, showing the current setting in the logo, like contact, width, heading, visibility, pen RGB color, cause, weak memory, etc. So it will show you the current status. Then the reset button, basically a reset button also used to clear the logo output screen or main screen and brings the turtle back to the center of the screen. I will give you few commands to show you the current movement, that how the turtle moves. For example, there is one command FD40. So you notice that the turtle moves 40 steps ahead. So FD is a short form of forward. So FD40 means 40 steps forward. Similarly, there is one more command RT, which means right. RT90. So you would notice that the turtle moves to the right direction or clockwise direction to the 90 of angle. It will move the turtle to, in the right direction or clockwise direction in the as in the angle of 90. So these are the commands. I would suggest that you can draw lots of pictures and lots of figures through these simple commands for your children, and it would be very beneficial for your children's. Through typing a buy command, it will exit from MSW logo. You can also exit from clicking on file and then exit. So these are very simple and easy programming language for your children's. I must recommend that you should use this MSW logo for especially for your children's. So that's all from my side for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it would be beneficial for you and for your children. I would request that please share this video. If you think that it's beneficial, please share with your friends and colleagues, and please also subscribe to my channel so that I can share my videos with you. That's all from my side. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your time.